Hi, this is Bobby Schwartz, and welcome to this week's blog. This week we want to share with you a tool that we came on a few months ago that is a game changer. And it's something my clients and I have been looking for years, and now we have it. And it can be virtual or done in person, but stored virtually, however you wish to do it. But it allows us to get in your closet, virtually or otherwise, clean, cull, organize, and create looks that all of your contents of your closet, all the looks that we put together will be in a virtual library for you, so that when you go to get dressed, you just do this and it's always there. So have been so excited about it, I wanted to share it with you. And the timing is because it's fall. That's a change of season, change of clothing. Some of you may have seasonal closets, that works. But many of you just feel cluttered, overwhelmed, and are not moving easily through your closets, and then are not creating your chicest looks. And partly because you can't find stuff, you forget you've got it, all of the above. We all know, we've lived this before. But so I wanted to share this with you. Following this is going to be just a little section that will show you how, when we put the outfits together, how it works, how beautifully it works. You're going to see just a few pieces and so many different looks and variables that you can do. And then after you look at that, I'll come back for just a few moments to visit with you. Thanks so much for checking this out. I think you're going to be as possessed as I am. What we'll see here are some categories: casual dressing, cocktail, and business. Each of these will help you see how we can use what you already have in your closet to build looks, so that when you're looking to put together a look, you have it easily accessible for your use. This is just an overview to help you get the vision of what we can easily create for you to operate more smoothly, easily, and free of stress as you get ready for the day or even an event. So let's check it out. We begin with casual, and I did more here because it's been my experience over all these years of styling that casual dressing often presents the biggest challenge. So I've only focused on jeans here to just keep it simple. Our first casual look focuses on the straight leg crop jean, and it's going to be the piece we're creating the look around. You'll see the chambray shirt that easily could be worn with a white tank and left open, or worn closed as you see it here. The white tee, and you're going to have any number of fabulous styles in your closet to work with. Note the short sleeve, what I call camp shirt, that would be adorable with these jeans. And then note that all of these tops can be tucked in just a little bit in the front, leaving the rest out for that little bit of pop. As you always need a third piece, the chambray shirt, if left mostly open over a tank, can serve as a third piece, or you'll note that we've included a denim jacket, which can be tied around the waist, worn over the shoulders, or just plain worn. You see the belt I recommend and the shoes I suggest. I want you to note the black Audrey Hepburn mules, and yet no black belt and no black bag. As in this case, I thought the casualness of the outfit made the matchy-matchy of a black belt and bag too contrived, so wear the black shoes and accessorize with the brown. Then of course we have the two bag suggestions. The point of this lookbook slide is that all of this is mix and match. Any combination of any of these pieces works fabulously, and you can get 12 or more looks from this one slide. Our next casual look focuses on the flare leg jean as the piece that we're creating this look around. As you know, I'm a huge fan of the flare boot cut because it's the most flattering style a woman can put on her body in terms of pants. So first note the wider variety of white t-shirts, the slimmer fit, the fluted, and the long sleeve. You see our friend the chambray shirt again, along with that short sleeve white cotton shirt. You notice that the third pieces, however, are different, as I felt the longer look was better than the short denim jacket, far more flattering, and there could be any variety, however, of cardigans, double-breasted blazers, lightweight utility jackets, and these are just a few examples of what could have been included. You will note both the brown and black options in terms of belts, bags, and shoes. And check out the variety of shoes. We've got sandals, booties, and a pair of mules. I want you to note that you can get at least 25 variations from this one slide. And again, all are mix and match to go with this one style of jean. How great is that? Our final casual look focuses on the wide leg jean as the piece that we're going to create the look around. I love this jean because it's fun, it's flattering, it makes all of our backsides look smaller and gives great shape to that very backside. So you're going to note in this slide that the same items from the flare leg jean are here, with the addition of the denim jacket, which is back, white leather sneakers, and white Oxfords. Okay, I want you to note that you can get at least 42 different variations from this one slide, and that again, all of these are mix and match to go with just this one style of jean. There's so many possibilities to provide you with the opportunity to make wider use of your wardrobe and to remind you of what is there, because so often we truly forget. How fun is that? Our next category is cocktail. I know you have events to attend, and having these various looks at hand eliminates the frustration and experimentation time, never mind the pressure, stress, and anxiety of putting that perfect combination together. This is a solution extraordinaire, and solutions are what we are all about. So let's check out our first slide. This slide is all winter white and allows you to see how we might use some separate pieces in your wardrobe. Note the monochromatic concept, all one color, sort of. Both tops go with the pant and skirt. You have the gold sandals and the winter white wrap as your third piece, the simple gold bag, and your jewelry options. Here, you have created 4 distinct looks, all simple, understated, timeless, and a breeze to throw together to get out of the house with ease, stress-free, and tons of chic. Of course, I couldn't leave black out of cocktail, so note the 2 LBD options. One has sleeves, the other doesn't. You have an evening flare leg pant and an evening fluted skirt, a black halter top, your fabulous black wrap, 2 choices of bag, and your black pointy toe pumps. With this, you get 5 easy looks that are guaranteed to wow. Again, this is all about ease of operation as you head out the door. And now let's look at the next slide, designed to make dressing for your professional life a breeze. It's a well-researched, validated fact that it takes a woman on average 45 minutes every day to figure out what to wear, and that does not include hair and makeup. That's a hideous number, and the sad thing is that it's the average. The other sad thing is that it isn't just about the time, and that's bad enough. It's about the stress, frustration, and anxiety that go with it. That said, let's look at the business slide. Here you'll note it's all in black. You see 2 pair of flare leg pants, 2 fabulous jackets, one a longer double-breasted, the other A-line and fluted, then 2 tops, 1 pair of booties, a couple bags to choose from, and a pair of pearl studs with a luxury watch. All absolutely mix and match. This provides you 4 distinct, simple, understated, timeless looks that allow you to be dressed in 5 minutes free of stress. How easy is that? All of this that we have just covered is to provide you a vision of how the system works and for you to see the value it would bring you. You have to get dressed every day, and this is a glorious solution to that process as it allows you to do so with ease and extraordinary results. And believe it or not, this can be done remotely if need be, or if you desire. Truly, how fabulous is that?
So what do you think? Pretty fabulous, yes? This is a tool that many of my clients and I have been looking for so long, and here it is. I know you're excited about it. There's just nothing like having a closet that's organized, easy to get through, and then never mind getting dressed every day and having access right there in front of you to looks you can put together because we already did it and combined them in advance, and so it's all there and you go, oh yeah, I can put that on. We all know what all that means in terms of the forgetting what you have in your closet, not using it to full capacity, because we get busy and we do forget. So thanks for joining us. Please check in with us. Give us a call. This service is up, available, and we would love to talk to you about it. And I know you're as excited as we are. See you soon.